Greetings. Hi there guys, hope you're doing well. Welcome back to our channel. Right now we are back with a new tutorial. We will see how to fix the error in our database when we install our WordPress. So let's get started.
Alright, so we have to open our browser and write our localhost name. Before we write, we have to make sure our XAMPP server is open. So XAMPP Apache and MySQL is started. So now we have to write our localhost address. My address is localhost /7802. In your case, you might don't have to write this address, the port number, but here my setup is like this. And then we have to give our folder name. Alright. So language, continue. Let's go. And let's click submit. And we found this issue. Let's change our database name something to Samir Hussain. Username, admin, password, admin, and let's submit. Saying we found this issue again. So now what we have to do is again search for localhost. My port number, you can just write localhost /php my admin. Alright, from here we have to create new. Click on new and put here a database. I'm writing Sanveer and create. Alright, so our database is created. Then we have to click privilege and click add new user. And then here we have to write the username. You can write the username here, Sanveer, hostname, localhost, password, admin. Again we type password, admin. Alright, and then from here we have to check all and then go. Now let's see our setup configuration database. Let's write the database we have created. Sanveer, username was Sanveer, password was admin, database was. Yeah. Now our database is fully installed, and by this we can start our installation. So we have to fill this form.
Thank you very much for staying with me till long. If you like my video, please click on like button and stay tuned with us.